Hey everyone, so in this little version of Extra Mecca, I want to talk about something that I just filmed a lesson on how to use Amazon ads to increase your ranking for your organic sales. This was a test I did over the last 30 days for one of my books. And this book, it was selling organically, but every time I ran ads, I couldn't make a profit with it. It was so bloody hard. And I make more money with it just selling organically. And so that got me thinking, and I was like, why? Why is that? And I ran the book beam reverse keyword search on it. And what I found out was out of the 5,000 keywords that my book was indexed for, so 5,000, 124 of those I had ranked for. Only 124 out of 5,000. And so that's why my ads were so bloody expensive. That's why I couldn't make any money or very little money when I was running ads. It's Amazon didn't give me a chance because I wasn't making enough sales for the competitiveness that this niche was in, right? It's the yoga niche. And what I did is I started talking to Claude, and I came up with this brilliant idea of how to identify high capacity, high search volume keywords that Amazon said, yes, your book is indexed for this. Yes, we know your book is about this topic, but you're not ranking for it. And what I'm doing now is basically I have stupidly high bids on 11 keywords, I believe I'm using. 11 specific keywords I'm using. Stupidly high bids so I can buy sales essentially. And what's so crazy is over the first month of doing this, let me just pull up my notes here. Over the first month of doing this, I was able to, where is it? I was able to get 16 new keywords ranked for, and I was able to increase my keywords in the top 20 by 12. And some keywords that I wasn't even like, so for example, the one keyword, chair yoga, you can imagine how competitive those two words are, right? Chair yoga, how competitive. And my book was indexed for it, but I wasn't ranked for it. But now, after a month, I am ranked number 11. And that's absolutely insane. And the first month is all about losing money, paying for sales. But the philosophy behind this is lose money up front, build your organic rank for months down the road. And that's exactly what I'm doing, right? As this book really excels in Q1 of every year. Well, books in this niche, not my book, for this obvious reason. I wanted to see, it's like, okay, what can I do to give this book one hell of a chance going into Q4 of this year, but really into January, February of 2027? How can I improve this now? And that's exactly what I'm doing. And it's just a cool way of like using Claude or AI in general, doesn't matter what you're using, but using it to come up with different strategies that you've never used before. Not in a million years would I have thought of this type of keyword research or this type of campaign to run for my ads. I just didn't know it existed. To be frank with you, I just didn't know this type of thing existed. But yeah, it's just really cool. And you know what the craziest thing is? There are more campaigns I was supposed to be running with this. There are even more campaigns. And I just was running this one because I've just been, focused on other stuff. And I was just running this one. I haven't even looked at the other ones that it was suggesting me to run. But I'm just seeing great results with this in just the first 30 days. And it only cost me $80. Like I only spent $80 to run this campaign to get ranked organically for a whole bunch of new keywords or a whole bunch of new, keywords, terms. But yeah, no, it's just have discussions with AI on the results you want to get, because it will change your perspective of what's possible. And I was just so excited. That's why I filmed a new lesson that I just posted right now inside the program. But I wanted to kind of just film some thoughts. I thought this was kind of be a good fitting video for Extra Rebecca. Just kind of some thoughts behind why I was doing this, and how I think it's going to help you guys in the future. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Have you ever ran campaigns specifically to target organic growth with keywords? It's yeah, it's so different than anything else I've ran for Amazon ads. So it'll be cool to kind of check in the next like 60 days, or I guess 30 more days after it's been up for 60 and then 90. Those are kind of the check-in periods that I have for this on my calendar. But yeah, it's cool. Let me know in the comments if that's something you guys have done. Cool. Peace.